Going in, I wanted to just the one thing I wanted for myself was to have a cool, calm head and see what happens, basically. And I feel like today I really managed to do that. I had the first day nerves, obviously first time ever playing a pro event, so even more nerves, and I feel like I really faced that head on and I was ready to keep my cool. Performance wise, my results, I'm not too happy with them, but I'm not upset. I'm pretty content, happy with the first day, and see how it goes tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna keep a cool head, but also take what I learned from today. There were some mistakes that I made out there that really weren't necessary, so I'm gonna be keep an eye out for those and manage myself a bit better, but overall keep that cool head, stay with that mentality, and I'll be happy.
Yeah, so we started from the 10th side and I played really well that side, and then we finished on the first side. So I was having a bit of, my parts were not sinking, so I had a lot of bogeys. So I finished +1 and +6 respectively. So still feeling that tomorrow I have a chance. So we see how tomorrow is.